Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to make your phone never turn off. So if you also want to make your phone never turn off, this video is as for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open settings. You can see over here, I've opened settings. You'll be able to find several settings options over here. Over here, what you have to do is find the option for display. Once you find the option for display, all you have to do is tap on it. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to the display interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. Now over here in this section for lock display, you'll be able to find the option for screen timeout. Simply tap on it. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find several options for screen timeout over here. You'll be able to find the options like 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes and 30 minutes. Also, you might be able to find the option for never. Right now, you can see over here 5 minutes is selected in mine. That means my screen will automatically turn off after 5 minutes of inactivity. But if you want to make your phone never turn off, what you have to do is find the option for never. If you find the option for never, simply select that option. If never option is not available for you, simply choose the maximum duration allowed. You can see over here, in my case, the maximum duration is 30 minutes. So I'm just going to select the option for 30 minutes. Simply tap on the option. Now after that, you can see over here 30 minutes has been selected. Let's go back. Now the changes will be saved. Now after that, your phone will not turn off until 30 minutes of inactivity. Also, if you selected the never option, your phone will never turn off. So that is how you make your phone never turn off. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.